Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Roblox avatar. First, navigate to the avatar editor, easily found on the left side of your Roblox homepage. This is your creative hub. Here, you'll discover countless options to personalize your character. You can browse through a vast catalog of items, from free selections to premium choices available for Robux, allowing for truly unique and expressive customization. It's a fun process. Once in the editor, dive into body customization. You can modify your avatar's head, torso, and limbs to achieve your desired shape and size. Next, explore the extensive clothing sections. There are thousands of shirts, pants, and t-shirts to choose from, ranging from casual wear to elaborate costumes. Feel free to mix and match both free and purchased items to craft a look that is uniquely yours. To truly make your avatar stand out, don't forget accessories. You can add hats, glasses, necklaces, and many other items to complete your character's aesthetic. Beyond appearance, explore the animation options. Choose from a variety of walk, run, jump, and idle animations to give your avatar a distinct personality and movement style. Experiment with different combinations to find what feels just right. After perfecting your avatar, remember to save your creation. Your customized look will then be ready to use across all Roblox experiences. You can even create and save several different outfits, allowing you to switch your style with ease depending on your mood or the game you're playing. Share your fantastic, unique avatar with friends and the wider Roblox community to inspire others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.